tell me about this process, beginning to end. What do you want to say?
I think it was a great experience. The customer service from the beginning to the end has been A1, been top tier. From the beginning, consulting with my grafts and trying to get a quote, felt comfortable with my feedback, and there were very quick responses from the reps. And yeah, and it was a smooth transition. Also smooth with purchasing, sending my money through Wise, and the hotels picking us up. Uh, and very. I think y'all listen to what we say. Y'all very responsive, and it's like y'all listen and take everything we say into consideration, and try to make sure that we are pleased with the results. And I think it was just, overall a good experience. I think it was the best choice.
Thank you so much. And also, what do you think about pain? Is it painful process or
No, it's not too painful. It's manageable, very manageable.
because of you also implanted beard area?
Mhm.
Sometimes patients telling the beard is really painful.
Yeah, it's more painful than the head, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd say it's like a 6. 5 or 6. It's manageable. It's nothing you can't get through.
Okay, so thank you so much.
I appreciate it.